thing for me to do is to get you to know me within 16 bars. That's the hardest thing. Who is K-Dot? A young nigga from Compton on the curve writing raps next to a gunshot. On the corners where the gangsters and the killers dwell, the fraudulent in disguise will get unveiled. Everyone I knew was either Crip or Pyro, cousins in elementary, relatives in high school. With that being said, each one of their rivals was aiming something at my head. I needed survival. Got jumped, got jacked, shot at, shot back, and I don't even push a line. I'm just trying to push these rhymes in the midst of staying neutral and discreet. My mama said you're judged by the company you keep, but what you can consider that if it goes down, they'll kill you if you kill me. It gets deep, nigga. So if you ask what I'm doing, I'm trying to duck the influence of my city that's brewing. Real talk. And this is why they fuck with me. Real talk, nigga. Believe it. This is why they fuck with me. Do what I do, you know. I'm no gangster, no killer, I'm just your average Joe. Know that. One thing you should consider, I'm the realest you know. I was walking from Centennial when an unidentified vehicle rolled up, and I was like, hold up. Where you from? Bang. Where you stay? West side. That's a Pyro gang to be exact. Well aware they had blue across their hat. Dropped backpack and ran inside of the cul-de-sac. Shots rang out. Hoping to God I wasn't wet. Crossed the crossroads crayons and ran inside of the jet. Chirped the homies on the high 95. They said they already knew what happened and meet them outside the garage. Never seen that many guns in my life. I was paranoid like a fiend in the night, but needed revenge. Grabbed the 9-ball, opened up the door and got in. Somebody said fall back. We gon' make these niggas suffer. You my brother like a frat, and that's just to remind you. Thought about that so long, I had failed my finals. Fuck. But this is why they fuck with me. I told you. This is why they fuck with me. You fake nigga. I'm no gangster, no killer, I'm just your average Joe. You fake. One thing you should consider, I'm the realest you know. I don't do black music, I don't do white music, I do everyday life music. Give them cuts like a nigga pierced a knife through it. You say you throw, but I've been through it. Now that's cold. And this is for my county building children. In Hub City on hubcaps, no power steering. I use perseverance in this mad city. With the niggas drink Remy and hold semis for cutthroat. Bernie Mac died, it's no joke. Don't ask why if you don't know about these killers and thieves. 7 grams of weed. You smoke that, but I'm high off life. I can fall out the sky like twice and land in the land of the AKs and the minivans where the fan never horn, cause it's hotter than the lunatics underarms and a straight jacket. In other words, we get it cracking, but I keep it cool, you know. This is why they fuck with me. This is why they fuck with me. Real talk. I'm no gangster, no killer, I'm just your average Joe. Come on. One thing you should consider, I'm the realest you know. So there you have it. But I'ma leave you with this. An OG once told me, a real gangster is either dead or in jail, or behind the scenes getting real money. I'm gone.
We're far from good, not good from far. 90 miles per hour down Compton Boulevard, with the top down, screaming we don't give a fuck. Drink my 40 ounce of freedom while I roll my blunt, cause the kids just ain't alright.
Oh shit, nigga! Something about to happen. Nigga, this sound like 30 keys under the Compton court building. Hope the dogs don't smell it.
Welcome to Vigilante 80, so don't you ask me. I'm hungry, my body's antsy. I rip through your fucking pantry, peeling off like a Zanny. Examine my orchestra. Granny said when I'm old enough, I'll be sure to be all I can be. You niggas Marcus can't be washed up, pussy fix your panties. I'm Mr. Marcus, you getting fucked, You ain't heard nothing harder since daddy came. Take it in vain, Vicodins couldn't ease the pain. Lightning bolts hit your body, you thought it rained. Not a cloud in sight, just the shit that I write. Strong enough to stand in front of a traveling freight train. Are you trained? Too gorgeous, Dracula dragging the record industry by my fangs. AK clips, money clips, and gold chains. You walk around with a P90 like it's the 90s. Bullet to your temple, your homicide to remind me that Compton crib niggas ain't none to fuck with. Compton Pyrus ain't none to fuck with. Compton essays ain't none to fuck with. But they fuck with me, and bitch, I love it.
California dungeons. California dungeons.
Let's hit the county building, gotta cash my check. Spin it all on a 40 ounce to the neck. And in retrospect, I remember December being the hottest. Squad cars, neighborhood wars, and stolen monsters. I tell you motherfuckers that life is full of hydraulics. Up and down, get a 6-4, better know how to drive it. I'm driving on E with no license or registration. Heart racing, racing past Johnny because he's racist. 1987, the children of Ronald Reagan break the leaves off your front porch with a machine blowtorch.
I'm really out here,
He
my
blowing
nigga.
no stress, hoping that ease the stress.
Really out
He
here,
copping some blow, hoping that it can stretch. Newborn massacre, hopping out the passenger with calendars, cause your day coming. Run him down and then he gun him down. I'm hoping that you fast enough. Even the legs of Michael Johnson don't mean nothing, because Compton crib niggas ain't nothing to fuck with. Compton Pyrus ain't nothing to fuck with. Compton essays ain't nothing to fuck with. But they fuck with me, and bitch, I love it.
California dungeons. California dungeons.
Can't detour when you at war with your city. Why run for it? Just ride with me, just die with me. That gun store right there. When you fight, don't fight fair, cause you'll never win.
Right, I had the yapper and I tore they ass up.
Can't detour when you at war with your city. Why run for it? Just ride with me, just die with me. That gun store right there. When you fight, don't fight fair, cause you'll never win. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
My nigga, you niggas don't understand, my nigga. I'm off a pill and Remy Red, my nigga. Trippin', my nigga.
I used to wanna be like Michael Jordan. Figured I would hit the NBA and make me a fortune.
Every time I'm in my city, I be hacking like my shit don't stink. Used to clean my rolling chain with alcohol in the sink. Riding around with niggas that I grew up with, smack near, bumping me against the world. Hello world, Kendrick here, and I'm too much for these niggas. I'm too much for these hoes. I'm too much for these niggas. I'm too much for these hoes. I'm too much for these niggas. I'm too much for these hoes. Wayne told me that, and that's just how it goes. Michael Jordan. Bounce, bounce, ho, bounce, bounce. This shit make a nigga wanna get some bread or bust a head or fuck my enemies, bitch. Acting bad and getting rich. Pull up on them 26s, I'm a vanity slave. I'm a sinner, Jesus Christ, please forgive me for my ways. I don't know why your bitch wanna fuck me, and I don't know why you fuck niggas can't see. I'm a Compton, represent a concrete backflipper, aka that nigga. Don't worry, I don't know why your bitch wanna fuck me, and I don't know why you fuck niggas can't see. This is high power, since the Eddie Bauer. I've been popular, I'm poppin' now every other hour. Paparazzi come, you jockin' her, let her be a hoe. Why you stoppin' her? We stoppin' the traffic. What you know about them hockey pucks? Skating on them, why you hating on them? You should learn from them. Seen too many y'all getting money, know my turn coming. I don't know why your bitch wanna fuck me, and I don't know why.
Hey, wait a minute,
every time I'm in my city, I be feeling like my shit don't stink. Used to clean my rolling chain with alcohol in the sink. Riding around with niggas that I grew up with, some smack near, bumping me against the world. Hello world, Kendrick here, and I'm too much for these niggas. I'm too much for these hoes. I'm too much for these niggas. I'm too much for these hoes. I'm too much for these niggas. I'm too much for these hoes. Wayne told me that, and that's just how it goes. Michael Jordan, bitch. Michael Jordan, bitch. Michael Jordan, bitch. Michael Jordan, bitch. That means I'm too much for these niggas. I'm too much for these hoes. Wayne told me that, and that's just how it goes. Man, the game chose me, what am I to do? Only thing I did wrong was make it possible. I diddy bop and make them titties pop. Out they on my bumper like a city cop. Walking out the Fred Seagull, put my girl on it. Ass so fat, probably set the world on it. Ayy, pussy crazy, pussy crazy. You fuck niggas, you pussies crazy. Man, I know I can't tell you about the world, homie, but I know I can tell you about your girl, homie. Her pussy crazy, her pussy crazy. I fuck nigga, I know you hate me. I know they pay me too much of attention. Bring my name up, it gotta be mentioned. I need me an engine that go real fast. Call it Hall of Fame, once it haul ass. Give me tall glass, coconuts a rock. Please no soda pop, I make my solar pop. Life's a bitch, her pussy crazy, but I make that pussy pay me. Every time I'm in my city, I be feeling like my shit don't stink. Used to clean my rollie chain with alcohol in the sink. Riding around with niggas that I grew up with since Mac near. Bumping me against the world, hello world, Kendrick here. And I'm too much for these niggas, I'm too much for these hoes. I'm too much for these niggas, I'm too much for these hoes. I'm too much for these niggas, I'm too much for these hoes. Wayne told me that, and that's just how it goes. Michael Jordan, bitch, Michael Jordan, bitch, Michael Jordan, bitch, Michael Jordan, bitch. That means I'm too much for these niggas, I'm too much for these hoes. Wayne told me that.
I remember tripping, walking through the set like my Glock don't think. Grandma in the kitchen, neck bones in the sink. I don't know why your bitch wanna fuck me, and I don't know why you sucker niggas can't see. I'm from Hoover, man, higher Superman. Shit, you lowest lane, you pussy, man, with the pussy gang. Shit, we off the chain, we poppin' name, fortune not the fame. Shit, you backwards, man, you chasing hoes, we replacing those. Bagging past them hoes, you brought the chose. Guess she moving on, yep, we do it wrong. We fuck the homes, fuck the center home. Marijuana strong, you know I'm gone. Turn my swagger on, and my swag enough, my paper long. Yep, you left alone, you get no fucks. Leaning off the activus, passing blunts round and round. Told me Mary was a go, so we passed around and round. Yo, bitch text me once an L, so I had to knock her down. Heard her bouncing on my ball, slinging dick up from the mouth. You let it slide, I hit home runs, clean her dug out till I'm done. I can be your number 2 and you can be her number 1. Her pussy crazy, her pussy crazy. You fuck nigga.
Every time I'm in my city, I be feeling like my shit don't stink. Used to clean my rollie chain with alcohol in the sink. Riding around with niggas that I grew up with since Mac near. Bumping me against the world, hello world, Kendrick here. And I'm too much for these niggas, I'm too much for these hoes. I'm too much for these niggas, I'm too much for these hoes. I'm too much for these niggas, I'm too much for these hoes. Wayne told me that, and that's just how it goes. Michael Jordan, bitch, Michael Jordan, bitch, Michael Jordan, bitch, Michael Jordan, bitch. That means I'm too much for these niggas, I'm too much for these hoes. Wayne told me that, and that's just how it goes.
Everybody put 3 fingers in the air. The sky's falling, the wind is calling. Stand for something or die in the morning. Section 80, high power.
Visions of Martin Luther staring at me. Malcolm X put a hex on my future, someone catch me. I'm falling victim to a revolutionary song. The Serengeti's clone. Back to put you backstabbers back on your spinal bone. You slit your disc when I slit you my dish. You wanted to diss but jumped on my dick. Grown man never should bite their tongue unless you eating pussy that smell like it's a stale plum. I got my finger on the motherfucking pistol, aiming it at a pig. Charlotte's Web is gonna miss you. My issue isn't televising. You ain't gotta tell the wise how to stay on beat because our life's an instrumental. This is physical and mental, I won't sugarcoat it. You'll die from diabetes if these other niggas wrote it. And everything on TV just a figment of imagination. I don't want them plastic nations. Read that like a Haitian. While you motherfuckers waiting, I be off the slave ship, building pyramids, writing my own hieroglyphs. Just call it shit high power. Nigga, nothing less than high power. 5-star dishes, food for thought, bitches. I mean, this shit is Huey Newton going stupid, you can't resist his high power. Throw your hands up for high power. Visions of Martin Luther staring at me. If I see it how he seen it, that will make my parents happy. Sorry mama, I can't turn the other cheek. They wanna knock me off the edge like a fucking widow's peak, And she always told me pray for the weak, Them demons got me, I ain't prayed in some weeks, Dear Lord, come save me, the devil's working on. He probably clocking double shifts on all of his jobs. Frightening, so fucking frightening, enough to drive a man insane. I need a license to kill. I'm standing on a field full of landmines, doing the moonwalk, hoping I blow up in time. Cause 2012 might not be a fucking legend, trying to be a fucking legend, the man of mankind. Who said a black man in the Illuminati? Last time I checked, that was the biggest racist party. So get up off that slave ship, build your own pyramids, write your own hieroglyphs. Just call this shit high power. Nigga, nothing less than high power. 5-star dishes, food for thought, bitches. I mean, this shit is Bobby Seale making meals, you can't resist his high power. Throw your hands up for high power.
The system.
Who said a black man in Illuminati? Last time I checked, that was the biggest racist party. Last time I checked, we was racing with Marcus Garvey on the freeway to Africa till I wrecked my Audi. And I want everybody to view my autopsy so you can see exactly where the government has shot me. No conspiracy, my fate is inevitable. They play musical chairs once I'm on that pedestal. Frightening, so fucking frightening, enough to drive a man insane, a woman insane. The reason Lauren Hill don't sing, or Kurt Cobain loaded that clip and then said bang. The drama it brains crazy, product of the late 80s, trying to stay above water, that's why we shun the Navy. Pull your guns and play me, let's set it off. Cause a riot, throw a model top. Somebody told me them pirates had got lost. Cause we been off them slave ships, got our own pyramids, write our own hieroglyphs. Just call it shit high power. Yeah, nothing less than high power. 5-star dishes, food for thought, bitches. I mean, this shit is Fred Hampton on your campus, you can't resist his high power. Throw your hands up for high power. Thug life. Thug life.